Hey y'all, I'm back in CVS today. Look at this naked paparazzi display. Did y'all see that? Like, people must have went crazy before Christmas grabbing that polish for stocking stuffers because it was the cheapest one in the store and the emptiest display. But yeah, I'm back in CVS. I had a coupon that expiring today. Today is December 28th. Um, it's a 40% off coupon. I also have some extra bucks, I think $5. So I don't know which is going to go towards my purchase, but I am trying to get in here and find something. I pick up a couple things that I thought I wanted until the end. I'm going to find two things that I liked and I purchased, and I will share that with you guys in another video. Um, had I known how cheap the things that I got was going to come up to, because there was stuff in here on sale that was not marked for sale, it still had the regular price. So I wish I would have scanned these Express Essies to see if they were on sale, because I don't have any of those yet, and I really, really want some of those. I want to at least try one and see how good they are. But I did not end up getting any of the ones I picked up. I put them back. But if I go back this week, I am going to go back in there and scan it and see if they are on sale. They had a lot of beautiful colors. At first, I was not finding anything that I liked. And then I started seeing a few things. You guys have to remember to always look up. Whenever you're in CVS, make sure y'all check the top of the shelf, because they put a lot of the new nail polish displays on the very top of the shelf. Oh, I just noticed somebody swatched all over that bottom of that Essie shelf there. See that right there? Um, yeah, so always remember to look at the very top of the shelves, because they put a lot of their new things at the way top. So I do try to always remember to look up. And I did do that, and I found a few pretty colors. They had some nice new OPIs and things like that, which I'm going to get to here in a minute. I was trying to decide on those two Essie polishes, and they were really, really pretty. The one silver one is one I've been wanting for the longest, but I put it back. I hate when I do that, because I'll either think about it for days, like I should have got it, or I'll go back and get it. Oh, I was so surprised to see that they had Butter London in CVS, you guys. Butter London. So they were $11.99 each. Pretty colors. I wanted one of everything on this display, actually. One of each of the colors. They had like this here, the cuticle exfoliator. They had this nail foundation priming base coat, and they had this shine UV top coat hardware, and I wanted it all. I especially wanted this. They had like this cream called So Buff for hands and feet, and then they had one for cuticles and feet, I think. Something like that. Or this one was for cuticles too. But those were $9 each. Here's the other one. It's the extra whip. So yeah, it's for hand and foot, but you can also use for cuticles. So I wanted all of those. That's definitely something that I'm thinking about going back and picking up, because I want to try that. Their Kiss display had that $1 off coupon, so you get $1 off of the nail items and the eyelash items. Those are so pretty, but I can't fit them. But they would have been $1 off. Plus, if you had any coupons or extra bucks, it could have went towards it. So yeah, I'm trying to look around now to see if there's anything else, because they didn't have much, and that's when I looked up. And I seen they had some Sally Hansen's up there. They had some more Essies, a few colors that I didn't see on the other side. They had this cute little mini nail starter kit by Essie. Some more colors. Oh, this OPI, I haven't seen these yet with the white caps. I was like, ooh, I wanted it just for the caps, but they did have some beautiful colors. Look at this yellow. That's so bright and pretty. Love that. It had like an iridescent look to it. Love this color. And they have this Nature's Strong top coat. And I think those were $11.99 also. I took a look at some of the skincare items. I didn't get any of those. I was interested in what these were. I've never seen them before. If you guys heard about these, let me know. Yeah, so I came around to the other aisle where the Essie display was, and I found this China Glaze display, and they had the Jules Royale stamping kit, and I grabbed that, and it was regular, I think $14.99. And then they had just only a few colors left on that same display, which I'm showing you here, and these were $7.99 each. But these were actually on sale for, I think, $3.99, and the stamping kit was on sale for $7.50. But I made out of there with a good price on both items, which I will tell you guys in the next video. So go make sure your notifications are on so you won't miss it.